Welcome to this channel, and in today's video I'm showing you guys how to deposit and withdraw on the BTC Dana trading platform. Understand? In case you don't know what BTC Dana is one of the most reliable trading broker out there, which you can trade crypto, forex, indices, metals, anything tradable. So in this video I'm breaking down step-to-step process on how you can deposit and withdraw using crypto. There are two ways to deposit and withdraw. That is through your normal bank accounts. For those here in Nigeria, you can use your normal bank accounts to transfer and get deposits. And also another alternative, you can also use crypto and other systems you can use to deposit and withdraw. But in today's video, I'll be showing you only by depositing and withdrawing through crypto, USDT, and I'll be using my Binance, my Binance crypto wallet to do this thing right here, right now. So not too much talking. Let's head over to the screen immediately. So let's go. The first thing I'm going to do right now is to head over to my BTC Dana trading app, which is this particular app right here. In case you don't know how to get the app, the link is in the description of this video. Just click on the description of this video and use my referral link there to go get the app from Play Store. So the first thing I'm going to do there is to click on the app. So once the app opens, this is how you see something like this. Exactly, you see something like this. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to click on this place, this particular place where they said what? Assets. Yes, can you see it? Assets. Yes. So once you click on that place, you see right here where they said what? You should do what? You should deposit. You should do what? Deposit. That's the next place I'm going to click on. So once I click on deposits, you will see two options right here. So I'll be choosing this second one because I want to use crypto. If you want to use your normal Nigerian bank accounts or your local bank account to deposit, you can click on the first one. But if you want to use crypto, you click on the second one, this particular one right here, this particular one. So once you click there, so it has loaded here. So you can see three options right here. The first one is what? BEP20. The second one is what? ERC20, and the third one is what? TRC20. These are three network address, as in wallet address, as in the network the USDT you want to transfer or be operating on. So for this video, I'll be using BEP20 network. That is this first one, BEP20. That is the crypto network I'll be using. And why am I using BEP20? I'm using BEP20 because the Binance app I'm using, when I want to use BEP20 to withdraw my funds or to transfer to deposit in this platform, they will charge me €0. But if I'm using, they'll charge me $0. But if I'm using ERC20 or TRC20, for TRC20 I'm going to charge $1 withdrawal fee. So I'm going for the BEP20 network. So what do I do right now? I click on BEP20. Then you see this wallet address, here. You copy it. Just focus on this particular place. Click on this place here, that particular place. Yes, just click on it. So once you say copied, once I clicked on it, it just writes copied. So immediately I copy the address, I head over to my Binance app to deposit this money right here. So what do I do now? I leave this platform and go to my Binance app. Here is my Binance app here. Once I click on my Binance app, this is my account balance. Then I head over to my portfolio, which is right here. This is my portfolio here. Once I click on my portfolio, I click on take out, then withdraw. I click on withdraw. So once I click on withdraw, then I click here. Once I click here now, then that wallet address I copied from BTC Dana, this particular one here, this wallet address I copied here, this wallet address I copied from BTC Dana here, I'm going to paste it right here on my Binance app. You understand? So here is it. I'm going to long press, then I paste it. So once I paste it on the network right here where they said what network, I click on network. I'm going to use BEP20 because mind you, I'm using BEP20 network to do the deposits and the withdrawal. So once I click on BEP20 network, BNB Smart Chain, then let me say I want to deposit, let's say $20, you understand? Or let's say $20 for this video. Then I click on the amount $20. Or in short, I don't trade with anything less than $30, you understand? And it's not advisable. So I just click on max. I want to deposit everything right here. Then the next thing, I click on what is withdraw. So once I click on withdraw, I click on this place where they said what, confirm. Confirm, yes, confirm. So once I click on confirm, it's loading. It's loading. Let's wait for it to load. Okay. So right here, I just need to go to my Google Authenticator app, copy the 6 digits code here and paste it right here, and the withdrawal will be successful, deposited to my BTC Dana trading platform. Let's confirm. 98B. Let me see something. 98B. Withdraw. Confirm. So let me head over to my Authenticator app. This is my Google Authenticator app. So once I click on it, I know it will not be showing for this video. You know, these things are very private, so the screen will be dark. I copy the code, head over to my Binance app, and I paste it here. So withdrawal processing. So let's just see like how many minutes it's going to take for the money to reflect in our BTC Dana platform. I'm not expecting it to take more than at most 2 minutes. It should not be more than that. So it should not be more than that. Let's just see how many minutes it's going to take. I'll be right here. I'm not cutting the video. I'm not closing anything. Let's watch how many minutes it's going to take for the withdrawal to process. Let's just watch. So as you can see, look at BTC Dana just sent me a message right now. Right now, you can see it. Look at it. Your deposit of 30.5 trillion has been successfully completed. You can see how fast this thing is. In less than 1 minute, it has already reflected. So let me head over to my BTC Dana app again. I go back here. Let me refresh it. Oh no, they are having network issues. So let's refresh it again. Okay, I just refresh. As you can see right here, the money is now in my BTC Dana trading platform. As easy as ABC. It's already in my BTC Dana trading platform. So this is just exactly how to deposit on the BTC Dana trading platform. And for withdrawal, I'll also be withdrawing this money as in part of this money in this video also, to show you how you can also withdraw from this platform. So to withdraw now, the same process. I head over to my assets. For withdrawal, I head over to my assets too. I click on withdrawal. This time around, that is to withdraw. Once I click on withdrawal, then right here I'm going to click on crypto. You can see it, fiat crypto. If you want to withdraw to your local bank account, you'll be charged $1 fee. I get it, but if you want to withdraw through crypto, it's 100% free. So once I click on crypto, then I'm going to click on maybe TRC20 or BEP20, but I like using the BEP20 network. So I'll click on this. Then I head over to my Binance app again. Then this time around, I'm not clicking. I'm going to click on deposits this time around. And I'm going to choose USDT. Then for the network address, I'm going to choose BEP20. Mind you, on BTC Dana it was BEP20. Here too also has to be BEP20 also. So I click on BEP20 here. Then I copy this wallet address here. This wallet address right here. This wallet address here. I'm going to copy it. And how do I copy it? I copy it by just clicking on this place. Wallet address copied. I head over to my BTC Dana app. Come in here. I'm going to paste it. Paste the withdrawal address. Then for the amount, I'm going to click on $10. If I want to withdraw everything, I can withdraw everything. But for the sake of this video, I'm withdrawing only $10. So then once I click on $10, I click on confirm. That is right here. I click on what? Confirm. Then I have to input my withdrawal password right here. So let me input it. I click on confirm. As you can see, you have received your request. Your withdrawal will be processed within 30 minutes, but most of the time it's been processed in less than 5 minutes, in less than 3 minutes in short. So let's just look how fast the withdrawal will be processed. Let's just look at how swift it will be processed. Understand? Let's look at how swift it's going to be processed. We are watching. We're watching. This video is getting a bit long, but I also want to show you guys how easy it is to deposit and withdraw on the BTC Dana platform. Very simple as ABC. There's no too much wahala here. Understand? So let's wait and see when the withdrawal will be processed. All I know is that it takes less than 5 minutes for the withdrawal to be processed. Let's just see. So guys, as you can see right here right now, I just received this email now from Binance. Look at your deposit of 10 USDT is now available on your Binance account. So you can see the withdrawal has been processed, although this one took up to almost 3 minutes to get processed, but normal time or normal circumstances it usually take less than 1 minute. Sorry, just let at most 2 minutes. The money will just drop in your Binance account. So right now, look at my Binance account. The deposit was successful. Yes, the deposit was successful. As you can see right here, look at it. The $10 withdrawal was successful. So that's it. This is just exactly how to deposit and withdraw on the BTC Dana trading platform. And so guys, I hope you found that video helpful. And in case you don't know how to trade on the BTC Dana platform, you are still new to trading, you are not an experienced trader, so you can just, the link to my WhatsApp, I've just dropped my WhatsApp link here. You can send me a message on WhatsApp. I can just put you through on how to trade, how you can start making profit from the market. And if you want to sign up for BTC Dana, use the link in the description of the video, register, and just tell me you register through my link. Send me a message on WhatsApp. I'm going to add you to my VIP group. We will be dropping signals back to you and show you how you can follow me to start cashing out from the forex market. So if you find this very helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and I'll see you again in my next video.